So we are in Chatuchak market. Let's go, Gion. Let's go.
Where?
Let's go. Chatuchak. Where is Gion? Where are we going, Gion?
We're going to Chatuchak.
Let's go.
我们讲一首。
Well, I think we're just gonna go around. We're gonna go around and buy. Let's go to eat some food first.
There's no one. Like as you can see, it's empty.
It's full, man. There's a lot of people. It's Sunday. Oh, yeah, there is full. It's Sunday. People don't work.
Yeah, it's because it's a weekend market. Maybe.
Okay. What are you eating, you? What are you eating?
Pad Thai and rice.
Pad Thai and rice. Pad Thai is for me.
For you, Pad Thai. And I didn't forget to.
And that's the kitchen. Wow. What's this?
It's a pad cow. Pad cow. Pad cow. Moo.
This egg,
Pad cow moo.
rice. This spicy meat. I'm gonna steal it.
It's not spicy. It's not spicy.
No spicy now. It's better spicy.
Oh yeah? Yeah. And if I'm too spicy, I can't eat it. Thank you.
Not big spicy. Good? These are the market as animals. One here, one here. Oh, this is a bee snake. It looks like a cake. What's that? Oh, look this too.
They're holding
There
each
is a
other.
small animal inside. They're gonna eat it. That's food, I guess, for them.
They're holding each other.
There's turtles.
It's so funny, this one. So many.
What is that?
Oh, they fall
Look
down.
at orgy here. And here it was like thousands of. Oh my god, what I saw, Gion. Look what I saw. A bit scary though.
There's a lynx.
Wow, no photo here, but it's okay. Even the turtles.
Oh my god.
You want this one idea? Shitting. I don't know. Is that noise? What's that? Dormouse. Dormouse. I don't know.
This is just ants.
Ants farm. Oh, interesting.
Oh my god.
You want this one idea?
Look, he's waiting for something.
Oh, this is a grass.
Imagine this one that
This is a grass now.
Chatuchak, you can find everything, pets, everything in the world. I think it's one of the biggest markets in the world.
Guy. Here there is a delivery for ice. All ice. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. No. Today the weather is not that bad. It's not that hot. lot of tourists and a lot of local tourists. You can actually find everything here. From souvenirs, clothes, soup. That's the bat soup. But to be honest, here you can be in any market. Let's go outside from here. And let's go on the main area. Let's go to the main area. It's £100 the trouser, Guillaume. You want it? Guillaume hates this one. You're making it look too touristic. Too tourist. Wow, what's that? Wow. Look at that. Shame I need to take a plane too. What are you looking, Guillaume?
I'm looking at fun.
Ah, the fun. You remember the guys from with the ice before? He's just next to me now. He's going for the delivery. He's shop after shop after shop. McDonald's bag was $3.50. $3.50, that means €9, £8, more or less. Ah, they're beautiful. More shop inside. More and more. Look at this one. That's funny. Do you want it? So we found it. This one is the one that Gio wanted. And my one is this one.
แม่กับ2 คนไม่ไหวก็ทำไม่ทันแต่ผมไหวเนี่ย
I'm gonna show you how it looks. And this is my fan. This is my fan. Beautiful, no? Look. It's like a headphone. What you put in your neck.
May look like it.
Ah.
Is it good?
Yeah. Gion has the normal one. Where is Gion?
The shit one. The shit one. The shit one.
Gion has the shit one. Okay, we are close to the end. We are close to the end of Chatuchak market. We're going to pick up the motorbike, which is in that mall, JJ Mall. JJ Mall. Okay, let's go.